Hello, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Godzilla and Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. So let's get started. They'll be together. Alright, let's go over a mixture of Huggy Wuggy and Godzilla. So let's do it. It's going to be more central with the face here because I think that's where the unique features come out. So let's get started. I'm going to start over here and I'm going to draw wobbliness right there for the top of Godzilla's snout. And then over here at the front, down right there for the front of the snout. Line over here, bottom of the snout. Back over here. And we're going to go right here for a line upward for the kind of Godzilla forehead, right? It's really small, and then it goes up there. What we're going to do is we're going to throw a little bit of a feature right here now of Huggy Wuggy, and that is that Wolverine style haircut that Huggy Wuggy has. Something like that, you know, on one side over here. And then we're going to go over here on the back side. Draw the same. Maybe they can be horns. We don't know yet. We'll kind of figure that out as we go along, right? We're just kind of having fun. Going to pull down over here. And let's pull, let me see. Let's give him a big eye, very similar to Huggy Wuggy. It's also going to make him look a little bit like Shin Godzilla, but line over here for the lips, pulling up. All right. Maybe his cheek will pull up right there, like he's really smiling. Right there. You kind of see where it's going, right? And then we're going to go over here. We're going to draw a circle and a highlight right there in order to kind of fill it in, because Huggy Wuggy is like a huge iris and pupil. Let's draw some jaggedy teeth. That's also very Shin Godzilla, by the way. But this is, we're doing regular Godzilla. Line over there for the inside of the mouth. Line right there for bottom row of teeth there, bottom row of lip. Bottom lip. And right here, we got those crazy lips right there. Same thing over here. We're going to draw random sizes to those teeth. Let's go over here, the nostril. Curve right there. And we can draw the back of the mouth right there. I'm just drawing like a couple of teeth in the back, and then I'm filling in this shape dark because I want it to look like it's the back of the mouth here, you know? I'm sorry, like the depths of his mouth. So we're looking at it from an angle, and it looks more three-dimensional that way. Sweet. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you can. It helps the channel out, etc. You know. Then we're going to go over here. We're going to draw another, a little bit more teeth shapes in the back, because again, we want it to look a little bit 3D. It just kind of looks healthier and, you know. Cool. Line over here, pulling in. And now we're gonna have a big neck. That's very Godzilla, right? Big neck. Maybe we'll have him a little bit covered with fur right here. Maybe we'll draw some like lines, like a furry line right there. Dang, he looks creepy. I just gotta like look back at him like, ugh, dang. Some darkness here under the neck, and we can throw maybe just some line right there to show off like the fur, you know. You can do it like quick lines over here along the edge. Ugh, sorry, like he's really gross. Okay, line over here. We have his arm, right? That's a line for his arm, and we're gonna maybe draw maybe a couple little lines right there that like show off his physique. Let's go here to the spikes. I mean, he already kind of, those are hairy, I guess, but let's go like an actual Godzilla spike back there. Looks like mountains, right? And those things gotta have texture. But let's have another small. You know how he kind of has like the big row of spikes, then he has some small ones around the edge to kind of even it off. Let's do that as well. But those gotta be different textured, right? So we draw like little thin lines on them. Same thing goes for the texture on the spikes. I want to differentiate it, so we're gonna draw little thin, almost like row of ants. This is secondary detail basically, and with secondary detail, what's really happening with this is that you're indicating something. You're just drawing little dots and stuff like this all over it, but what you're telling the audience is, hey, I'm putting in some specific stuff here. You know what I mean? Like this is a texture. This is not just, you know, like, you know, it is what it is. You're indicating something. The audience will fill that in with their mind. Like, oh, okay, that surface must be jaggedy or textured, and that's kind of what you do with, you know, certain things sometimes. But those textures have to be a thinner line, and they can't distract from the main stuff. Right, so we draw like a thin line over here, and you can kind of make it like that way. So let's add some extras right here to make him a little bit creepier. So maybe some thin lines right here, very thin lines around the eye, right, just to kind of give it that kind of like spooky vibe. Over here maybe a couple of thin lines. That he's a little bit angry, he's gnarling a little bit, but he's also kind of like he's smiling hard, right? Thin lines over here to show off that, hey, yeah, maybe he is covered in fur. Some lines at the very end. What would you name this guy, by the way? Because it's Huggy Wuggy mixed with Godzilla. Like, what would you name that? Like, write in the comments. I really want to know. Also, are you a big fan, by the way, of Poppy Playtime or Godzilla? I'm sure you're a fan of one of these if you're tuning into this, if you're here at this point. Yeah, let me know that. Like, what is your favorite dynamic with those? Like, how do you think they're maybe similar? How do you think Godzilla is similar to Poppy Playtime, or could he ever be in that universe? I mean, I'm thinking maybe probably not, right? Because it's completely different. He would smash like whatever the heck they're in. But anyways, that's it. If you like this, hit that like, or, you know, say what's up. You know, sharing the video really helps out. Sharing is caring. I appreciate you guys in every way, and I want to thank you. Hold on, this is something I saw right here. Put a little dark right there. There you go. I may pull a little line back on that to make it look a little. There's always little details, right? But thank you so much. I appreciate it. I want you to stay here. And one thing, check out all the cool stuff in the description. There's a free Godzilla ebook. There's a free ebook about drawing cute stuff. There's playlists on various things, various different mixtures that maybe you haven't seen. But most importantly, I want you to say hi, and yeah, stick around for the next video. Let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.